Hi, I'm Sandy Pearman.
And I'm Anna Pecker, and we're from Property Brokers Palmerston North.
Here we are at 3 Karaka Street in Hokowhitu. This is an absolutely gorgeous 4-bedroom, 1 living property, or it could be a 3-bedroom, 2 living area property with 2 bathrooms.
What appears to be from the street is an unassuming home. You step inside and this is a gorgeous renovated character home. It's stylish and elegant. We've got on offer here, we've got a tandem garage with internal access, and then we've also got some fantastic decks here which flow out from both the living and the master bedroom, and the decks are covered. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous home.
Lovely, we would absolutely love you to come and visit us here at the open home or make a private viewing.